Hey guys, this is and welcome to my channel Biology Gurukul. Today our topic is pruning. In this video, we are going to learn about what is pruning, types of pruning, principles, objective and precautions that we should take while pruning. All these things we are going to cover in this video. So without any further delay, let's get the video started. First of all, let's know the meaning of pruning. What is pruning? Pruning is the reduction or the removal of plant parts that are actually not requisite to growth and development and are also no longer visually pleasing but are injurious to health and development of plant. This pruning is only performed when the plant becomes mature and capable of producing flowers and fruit. It is commonly practiced in orchard and vineyard management so to improve flowering quality. Next we are going to learn types of pruning. So the very first type is thinning. Thinning removes all the way back to their branch of origin. It helps in the maintaining proper canopy, freeing up canopy so that proper sunlight could penetrate. It also reduces weight on heavy limbs and it helps to maintain natural shape of tree. Next we have raising. Raising removes all the lower branches of tree in order to provide clearance for vehicles, pedestrians, buildings, all these things. Next we have ringing or girdling. Ringing or girdling is a very important type of pruning. In this method, a circular ring of bark 3 cm length is completely removed from the trunk of tree. It helps in the accumulation of photosynthesis material in the upper portion of tree that enhances flowering and fruiting. As we all know, photosynthesis process happens during night by the upper portion of tree, and when this photosynthesis process gets over, this photosynthetic material wants to travel down to all part of body, but due to this breakage of xylem of 3 cm length, they are unable to pass down. So they accumulate in the upper portion itself, but they are helpful for the tree. Next we have notching. Notching is making a notch above a bud by removing a bark of wedge shaped. It checks for influence of hormone and it encourages growth. Next we have nicking. Nicking is making a notch below a bud and it helps in accommodation of carbohydrate from leaves to bud and that helps in fruit bud formation. Next we have this notching and nicking are very common terms. Like notching is making a notch above a bud, whereas in nicking is making a bud below a bud, notch below a bud. So next we have is heading back. Heading back removes all the way back to their branch and also it reduces the terminal portion of shoot, leaving the basal portion intact. So this we completed types of pruning. Next we are going to learn principles of pruning. So or we can also say methods or methodology by which pruning can be done in better way. So to get better results of pruning, water sprouts from the tree should be removed. Next, if we want to remove shoot completely, it should be removed from the base itself. Third, bark injury while pruning should be completely avoided because it's very dangerous for plant. To do so, branches of bigger diameter should be cut from downward surface. Next, we have pruning should be done in advance of flowering season and in deciduous trees, it should be done in advance of winter season, so that winter injury or low temperature injury may be minimized. Next we have objectives of pruning, or we can also say benefits that we will get after pruning. So after pruning you can say farewell to dead, decayed, disease, injured, these kind of branches. Next, pruning helps in regular bearing of plant. It also invigorate the plant. Invigorate in the sense strengthen the plant. Pruning helps to have differentiation between vegetative and reproductive growth, and pruning also helps to proper sunlight and air to penetrate into the plant. So here we completed the topic pruning. Hope you all guys liked the video and the content was relevant to your needs. If you like the video, hit the like button and turn the black thumb blue. And also subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload my next video, you will get regular updates. Share it with your friends and also do comment below how did you like the video and content was relevant to you or not. And also let me know on what topic should I make my next video. Thank you. By the time, have a nice day and stay blessed.